Hello everyone. This video is for Siddhak Singh Chopra's dastarbandi, which was held in the morning today. Welcome to the joyous celebration of my nephew's dastarbandi. Today marks a very significant milestone in his journey, and we all are very happy to celebrate this auspicious occasion along with everyone's blessings. May his dastarbandi be filled with prosperity and a deep sense of pride for the entire Chopra family. Congratulations to the proud grandparents, Harbinder Singh Chopra and Guljeet Kaur Chopra. Congratulations to proud parents, Jasdeep Singh Chopra and Kawaljeet Kaur Chopra. Hope you all enjoyed watching this special moment in our Chopra family, and congratulations, Siddhak Singh Chopra. You make us really proud and you really look good. Congratulations once again to the entire Chopra family.